Assalamu alaikum dear students. In previous lecture we have discussed already anaerobic respiration, or we can say that fermentation means breakdown of pyruvic acid under anaerobic conditions. Today we will discuss some important MCQs from entry test as well as board examination point of view from this topic. The question number 1 is breakdown of pyruvic acid by alcoholic fermentation process mostly common in bacteria, number 2 yeast, number 3 plants, number 4 some endoparasites. Option A 1 only, option B 1 and 3 only, option C 1 and 4 only, option D 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. So correct answer is the 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. This is the correct answer. Now question number 2 is during alcoholic fermentation pyruvic acid by loss of one carbon as a carbon dioxide convert into option A formic acid, option B acetaldehyde, option C butanoic acid, option D lactic acid. So correct option is the acetaldehyde. Now question number 3 is muscle fatigue in man or animals is due to option A accumulation of lactic acid during anaerobic respiration, option B due to loss of high energy ATP molecules, option C accumulation of acetaldehyde during alcoholic fermentation, option D by breakdown of a greater amount of glucose. The question number 4 is how many molecules of reduced coenzyme NADH plus H is oxidized during alcoholic fermentation? Option A. Here the correct answer is due to accumulation of lactic acid in the muscles. Option A is the correct answer. Here the option A is 1 molecule, B 2 molecules, C 3 molecules, D 6 molecules. So the reduced coenzyme NADH plus H is oxidized as 1 molecule. Option will be A. Anaerobic respiration occurs in human being during heavy exercise. Number 1 in skeletal muscle cells, 2 in RBCs erythrocytes, 3 in the nerve cells, 4 in cardiac cells sometime. Option A 1 and 4 only, option B 1 and 3 only, option C 1 and 2 only, option D 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. So option 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Then question number 6 is lactic acid fermentation common in option A, animals including man, option B, plants, option C, bacteria and yeast, and option D, both B and C. So option D is the correct answer. Acetaldehyde. Question number 7 is acetaldehyde during alcoholic fermentation convert into option A, methyl alcohol, CH3OH, B, ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, C, acetic acid, CH3COOH, D, water and oxygen. So the answer will be option B, ethyl alcohol. Question number 8 is lactic acid fermentation. Number 1 occurs in animals, especially in the muscle cells, means skeletal muscles. 2, no decarboxylation takes place. 3, occurs in muscles in presence of oxygen. 4, during this process 1 mole of NADH plus H oxidizes into NAD plus. So the answer should be now option A, 1 and 2 only, B, 1 and 4 only, C, 1, 2 and 4 only, and D, 3 only. Answer should be 1, 2 and 4 only. Question number 9. Which of the following cell in human body always having anaerobic process of respiration? Cardiac cells, option A, B, RBCs, C, muscle cells, D, nerve cells in brain. Option B is the correct answer. RBCs we also call as erythrocytes. Then question number 10 is during lactic acid fermentation how many direct ATPs are produced? Option A, 2 ATPs, option B, 3 ATPs, option C, 6 ATPs, option D, 0 are non-ATPs. So there is non-direct ATPs or net ATPs. So option D is the correct. Dear students, this was some important MCQs about breakdown of pyruvic acid under anaerobic condition, or we can say that during fermentation or during anaerobic respiration. If there is any question, then you can ask in the comment box. We will reply inshallah.